Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes B180. In this video I'll tell you if this car is worth buying in 2025. The Mercedes B180 is premium compact MPV that continues to hold its value in 2025, especially from families or professionals looking for practicality without sacrificing comfort. Within its efficient 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine, co-developed with Renault, it delivers smooth performance and respectable fuel economy. The interior feels luxurious for its class, and the MBUX infotainment system is intuitive and modern. That said, maintenance costs are higher than average, and if driving excitement is priority, a BMW 2 Series Active Tourer might be more engaging, but overall, for comfort and design and brand prestige, the B180 remains smart buy. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.